Usapan mo muna natin yung way of thinking mo, okay? When you say way of thinking, I don't know if you will agree with this statement. Your way of thinking will dictate your way of living. Wrong way of thinking, wrong way of living. Right way of thinking, right way of living. Kailangan po, tama po ang ating perspective. Perspektibo po natin bago tayo mag-umpisa. Number one, I challenge you to stop thinking negatively. O kung gusto mo talagang magkaroon ng money-making machine, yung mindset mo, check mo. Huwag mo isipin, what if it does not work? What if malugi? Ay, naku, nakakahiya. What if kung, ay, naku, mag-fail ako? Kung yan ang parating iniisip mo, yan talaga mangyayari. I want to challenge you. Ikaw ba sa palagay mo, negative thinker ka ba o positive thinker? Pakitype sa comment section. Kung talagang positive thinker ka, sige, challenge kita. I want you to type in the comment section na finish the sentence for me. Ang Pasko ay pakitype. Pakitype. Pit, tama. Sige, check natin kung talagang negative o positive ka. Bago sumakay ng eroplano, ano parating na mindset mo? Paano kung pakitype, crash. Bago tayo mag-exams, paano kung type mo? Bumagsak. Bago tayo mag-negosyo, paano kung pakitype, lugi, di ba? Napaka-positive mo talaga. Crash, fail, lugi. Whether we like it or not, our mindset is programmed to think negatively rather than positively. We're focused more on the problem rather than thinking of the solution. Kaya nga kailangan labanan po natin yung way of thinking natin. Alam mo, ito lang ka-reality. Let me talk to you. Negativity is a thief of hope. Kaya nga, it's very important for you to guard your thoughts and reclaim your dreams. Paglaban mo ang iyong pangarap sa imong kinabuhi. Paglaban natin. Nako. Ipaglaban po natin. Huwag makibaka. Huwag makibaboy. Yan importante. Number one, check your way of thinking.